Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. In the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, June the 20th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number. Oh, wait. Yeah. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8760. Wow. 8760. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. Don't think it's a 4 stars, but we will see. It's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars puzzle. We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Our boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here. Dual box. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple boxes then. The next question, do we have here triple boxes? Here, triple box, there, triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, do not know. Insufficient information right now. I cannot fill those numbers. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Same for here. Insufficient information right now. Cannot fill these numbers. The inside box. 4 or a 5. We have a 4 here. So it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see only one quadra box here. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Well, the 2 is already given, but the other numbers could be everywhere. Insufficient information right now. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape, I believe the last shape, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have only 1, 2 shapes, figures, structures, or construction that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left and 2 in this area. Supposed to be here, 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 3, let me mark those. Then let me see. This box can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. This one is not easy. This box can be 3. Oh, wait. 3. This can be here. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 3 should be in one of these 3 boxes. That means that that box can be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there then. Okay. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Interesting, interesting. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well. Ay. I need to think. This one I need to think. 3 or 5 here. 2 could be here or there. This box can be 1 or 2. Can be 4, so 2 numbers left, 3 and a 5. Okay. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. This box is 1, 2, or 3. But I don't think it's a 2. If it's supposed to be it's a 2, then this box should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 there. So it should be 1 or a 3. 1 or a 3 here. Okay. So the 2 could be here, could be there then. Okay. Yeah. 3 should be here. It's a hard one, this one. It's a hard one. Need to think here. This box can be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. So the 3 could be here, could be there then. Okay. This box can be 1. So the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, it should be a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left with 4 in this quarter box will be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 1. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left with 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 goes together with the 5 as a pair. The other pair should be the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. Okay, 3 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a double 1 here. That means that this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 1. 2 and a 1, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes. So round 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. So the 1 could be here, could be there then. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely 5. Then I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here or there, I can fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. But also that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be also 4. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. Mark this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 there, so this box should be a 5. This box can be 2, so 1 box left with 2. In this area, supposed to be here, so the 1 and the 3 are left. Then let me think. Think. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 already, so no 3 there. This should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 2 and a 3 are left. Let me mark those. Well, this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. And that box can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there then. Yeah. We need a 1 in this W area shape. Well, this box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Alright. Well. Need to think here. Can be 4. 1 or 5. This box can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 1 and 5. But we already have a 5 here. So it should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. Then this box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Suppose this box is a 2, then that box should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 3 is connected with that box, should be so 3. These 3 boxes surrounding 3 can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this area supposed to be here. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair, so 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Then I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, we have a double 2 there. Give me 3, give me 4, we have a double 4 there. Yeah, definitely a 5. Then. This box, wait. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 is left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3, and that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. Then I think this box will be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box will be 2. This box will be a 1, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 1. We have 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 1 and a 2. We have 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. We go up. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And these 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here. And find the 2 numbers, the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there, finish in 16 minutes. Well. We solve it again, having troubles doing the puzzle. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. But let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I see you tomorrow. Yeah, last working day. Friday. So, until then, bye-bye for now.